Vlogs by Cali, you never heard of me? Vlogs by Cali, you never heard of me? Vlogs by Cali, you never heard of me?
Hey, what is going on? What is going on? It's your boy Cali. You know, as you know, in my business, I have different sources of income, multiple forms of income. But this video was just to talk about the one that I really want to start dabbling in a little bit more seriously, because I see there's a lot of potential in it, and that's affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing. I mean, I do very little affiliate marketing, but I do get some good results, you know. So, being that I get results from all these other programs, I figured I'd give Amazon affiliates a try. Now, I had an Amazon affiliates account, but I never really posted no links, or I never really used it. Then they canceled my account. I think if you don't use the account for like 2 or 3 months, like if it's inactive, you don't earn nothing, they'll cancel it. I just signed up. I'm like, you know what, I gotta give it a shot. Let me tell you how I was doing affiliate marketing before. Like, let's say you look at my Mercury video. Give my description about Mercury. I tell you what I like about it. I give you my sales update, whatever about it. But then I'll tell you, yo, if you're interested, click the link in the description and you can download it. Now, what Mercury do is actually give me $2 per person that downloads the app. That's all they have to do is download the app. They don't have to buy nothing. They don't have to sell nothing. They just have to create a new account and download the app. They was giving me $2, but in credit. So I couldn't cash that out and put it in my bank account. And with that credit, I bought a lot of merchandise. Like, you know, you sign up a quick 20 people, and that's $40 in Mercury. Yo, that was like a free Nintendo Wii I could haul to resell. You understand what I'm saying? So that's how I was using that. My favorite platform that I do affiliate marketing for right now is Ebates. That's my favorite platform. The Ebates always running some type of special, some type of deals. And sometimes you only got to sign up 2 or 3 people to make $100. So I was really doing good with Ebates. And being that everybody shops on Amazon, I am mad that I didn't think about this opportunity from before. I mean, well, clearly I did, because I did have an account. But I'm mad that I never really took it seriously, never jumped in. So, I'm just letting you guys know, man, I'm definitely jumping into Amazon affiliates. I opened up another YouTube channel strictly for that, where I will be reviewing a lot of dope stuff and unboxing and reviewing, because, you know, I'm always buying like video equipment. I'm always buying audio stuff, you know, a lot of technology stuff. So a lot of people might, you know, I'm gonna just see what happens. And the reason I want to do it with a YouTube channel is, you gotta understand, YouTube and Google is the same company, right? YouTube and Google is the same company. So that being said, somebody might be looking for a specialty Sony FS600 camera, then most likely you're gonna type it in on Google, and then Google's gonna curate the search results. And if you haven't noticed, a lot of YouTube videos make that search result. Amazon has a pretty good conversion rate once the customers is on that site, because Amazon got everything, and Amazon is Amazon. So I have a good feeling, like once I get the customers to Amazon, I think I would have maybe a 13 to 15% rate of conversion. I mean, being that it's Amazon and everybody shops at Amazon already, you know. So I believe if I could send 100 people to that site a day off of my link, I believe I could get 12 to 15 sales. That's not that like crazy to think that. Or am I crazy? Let me know.
Vlogs by Cali, you never heard of me? Vlogs by Cali, you never heard of me? Vlogs by Cali, you never heard of me?